Ukraine's drone army has become experts in taking out Russian armored vehicles, hunting down the vehicle coming in from behind with RPG warheads, easily penetrating the vehicle's armor, often resulting in an immobilized or destroyed vehicle. But Ukraine's drone army often sends multiple drones to make sure each equipment is completely destroyed, as seen with this first strike stopping the vehicle. Having a second drone to cause the ammunition to detonate, destroying another of Russia's armored vehicles, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.